Hello everyone. This is a tutorial video of how to done term registration and choose your payment plan and pay your fees online through your ERP portal. To get on a portal, you have to visit a university website, that is srmu.ac.in. So here is the site. Scroll down and click on Student. This will redirect to your ERP system. Log in with your roll number and password. This is your dashboard. You have to click on term registration tile. So first you have to register yourself for term registration. आप term register करते समय ही अपना payment plan भी choose करेंगे. So now you have to verify your academic details properly, like your name, program, plan, CGPA, your last semester CGPA, performance, admit term, current term, and etc. After that, you have to select your payment plan accordingly. Second is enter your amount and complete your transaction. And last is download your e-receipt. So after verifying all your academic details, now proceed for choosing payment plan. Select fees type, your academic session. So here is your payment plan, plan 1, plan 2 and plan 3. So if you choose plan 1, then you will get discount on your tuition fees, which is 9,750 rupees. Similarly, if you choose plan 2, then you will get discount of 5%, which is 4,875. If you want to pay fees semester wise, then you have to select plan 3 and pay the fees according to the mentioned due dates. As of now, plan 1 has expired, so you guys are not able to choose plan 1. But जिन स्टूडेंट ने प्लान 1 या प्लान 2 के अकॉर्डिंग ऑलरेडी पेमेंट किया हुआ है, वो स्टूडेंट अपने प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग टर्म रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट करते हैं. उनका बैलेंस ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेक्टेड प्लान, टोटल अमाउंट में जितना भी अमाउंट मेंशन होगा वो आपका एज ए चार्जेबल अमाउंट कंसिडर कर लिया जाएगा. सपोज यू सिलेक्टेड प्लान 2 with 5% discount. So this is your chargeable amount and this is your payment amount, and this amount will be your discounted amount. And one thing you have to consider that date are playing very important roles. आपके selected plan के from date section में जो भी date mention होगी उस date के बाद ही आप अपना plan select कर सकते हो. And you have to pay your complete payment amount before this mentioned due date. अगर आपने अपनी ड्यू डेट तक अपना पेमेंट अमाउंट कम्प्लीटली पे नहीं किया, तो आपको कंप्लीट चार्ज पे अमाउंट करना होगा, विच इज़ 1,30,100 रुपीज़. आपके ऊपर कोई भी डिस्काउंट अप्लाई नहीं किया जाएगा. सो चूज़ योर प्लान वेरी केयरफुली, and before choosing your plan, kindly verify all your academic detail very carefully. If all your details are corrected, then mark your choosable plan. Then tick both the terms and condition and click on submit button. Your registered request has been submitted. Please wait for your approval. And kindly visit this page after 24 hours. So wait for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, your charges has been posted. You can check these charges on Student Center. So now you have to pay your fees. Select fees type. Select academic session. So you have to pay this amount completely within this due date. If you are not able to pay this amount within due date and you have some amount in amount to be paid section, then you have to pay your complete charge amount, which is this amount. That means अब आपको कोई भी डिस्काउंट नहीं दिया जाएगा. So enter your amount which you want to pay and click on proceed to payment button. So again you have to verify your detail. If details are corrected, then click on confirm and pay now. This will redirect to Atom's payment gateway. So choose your payment method and complete your transaction. Once you complete your transaction, you will get the notification mail on your registered email. You can download your e-receipt after 48 hours. So wait for 48 hours. After 48 hours, you have seen your amount has been posted. Now you can download your e-receipt. So go to the student center and you have no outstanding charges. That means discount has been provided to you. Click on download web receipt. Download. So here is your e-receipt. You can download from here. Thank you.